Hi, my name is Mckenzie and I'm a Gold Award Girl Scout. My goal with this project is to help more immigrants come to America legally and naturalized to become citizens. I am doing this through my project, which is producing 3 videos on naturalization and legal entry. Both of the 2 videos on naturalization and legal entry are in English Standard Language, which makes it accessible to people who don't know much English. I also made a video in complete Spanish that describes the entire process. If that sounds like something that you need help with, make sure to go check those videos out as well. So I'm going to start by going over these slides. This presentation explains the legal process in the United States for immigration. We will explain each step clearly from legal entry to United States citizenship using official fact-check government information. If you have any questions throughout this process, make sure to contact USCIS for more help and information. This presentation is for immigrants who want to live in the United States legally. It is also for people who want to understand the correct immigration steps. All information comes from official U.S. government sources, including USCIS. This presentation is educational and does not replace legal or government advice. U.S. immigration law is strict and must be followed carefully. If a person enters illegally, overstays a visa, or gives false information, they may lose future immigration opportunities. This can result in denial of a green card, loss of citizenship, or deportation. Always use official government websites and phone numbers for correct information. Legal entry means the United States is officially allowed to you to enter the country. You must enter at official airport, border crossing, or port. You must show all valid documents and be inspected by U.S. officers. When you enter legally, the government records your entry. Now let's talk about why legal entry is required. Legal entry is the foundation of the immigration process. Most people cannot apply for a green card or U.S. citizenship without legal entry. If you are unsure how you enter the U.S., you should contact USCIS for help. Most people enter the United States legally in one of 3 ways. They enter with a visa, a refugee, or through asylum. Each path has different rules, requirements, and application processes that we will go over. A visa is permission to enter the United States. It is placed in your passport by a U.S. embassy or consulate. A visa allows you to ask for entry, but it does not guarantee entry. A U.S. officer makes the final decision at the border. There are 2 main types of visas. Non-immigrant visas are for temporary stays and do not lead directly to citizenship. Immigrant visas are for permanent residence and can lead to a green card. Non-immigrant or temporary visas are for short stays in the United States. Examples include tourist visas, student visas, and temporary work visas. These visas require you to leave the United States when your stay ends. To apply for a temporary visa, you must complete forms online and pay a fee. You must schedule an interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate. You must bring documents and answer questions truthfully and correctly. Honesty is very important in the visa process. Now, let's talk about some common reasons why visas are denied. Visas can be denied for several reasons. Common reasons include weak ties to your home country, not enough financial support, or plans to overstay. Providing false information will always result in denial. Always follow USCIS instructions carefully. An immigrant visa allows a person to live permanently in the United States. Most immigrant visas lead to a green card. Some immigrant visas have long waiting periods because they are limited. Main ways to get an immigrant visa include reasons based on family, employment, or the diversity lottery. Each option has different requirements and processing times. Family-based immigration. U.S. citizens and green card holders may sponsor certain family members. The sponsor files a petition with USCIS. After approval, the applicant applies for a visa and attends an interview. After you file your petition with USCIS, they will review and eventually you can apply for a visa. Employment-based immigration requires a U.S. employer sponsor. The employer must prove the job and the worker's qualifications. USCIS must approve the petition before an immigration can continue. Diversity via lottery is a yearly program. It allows people with countries from low immigration to apply for a green card. Applications are free and submitted only on the official websites. Never use unofficial websites to apply for diversity via lottery. If you are outside the United States, you must have an approved petition. You submit forms, complete a medical exam, and attend an interview. After approval, you enter the United States legally to complete the process. A green card gives lawful permanent resident status. It allows you to live and work permanently in the United States. A green card is required before applying for United States citizenship. There are two ways to apply for a green card. You can apply for a green card inside or outside the United States. Inside the United States is called an adjustment of status. Outside the United States is called consular processing. Adjustment of status allows eligible applicants to apply while staying in the United States. You submit forms, attend a biometrics appointment, and complete an interview. USCIS makes the final decision. Consular processing happens at a United States embassy or consulate. You submit documents, complete a medical exam, and attend an interview. After legal entry, your green card is mailed to your United States address. Thank you so much for watching this video. But it's also important to note that once you obtain the green card, you must follow all United States laws, file taxes, and live mainly inside of the United States in order to maintain this permanent resident status. Following legal immigration processes protects your future. Always use official USCIS websites and phone numbers when applying for these important documents. Thank you so much, and I wish you the best along this journey. If you need any additional support, make sure you contact USCIS, or you can check out the other videos I have in my channel. Thank you so much for helping me earn my Girl Scout Gold Award, and have the best day.